Discover what's hot in open source. This is GitHub Trends, where we showcase 5 trending projects shaping the future of tech. Script written 76 words. Observer in just 6 lines of code. Express.js is the legendary framework powering Node.js backends everywhere. With nearly 69,000 stars and 22,000 forks, it's battle-tested at scale. The beauty? It's unopinionated, no forced ORM, no required template engine, just rock-solid routing, insane performance, and freedom to build your way. From startups to Fortune 500s, Express handles millions of requests daily. Star the repo powering the web at github.com expressjs express. What's the difference between a junior and senior JavaScript developer? Often, it's mastering the fundamentals. This repo breaks down 33 essential JavaScript concepts, from closures and the event loop to async await and design patterns. Each concept comes with clear explanations and practical code examples. Recognized by GitHub as a top open source project, it's helped over 66,000 developers level up their skills. Star the repo at github.com leonardomso's 33JS concepts and master JavaScript today. What powers Netflix, Airbnb, and Meta's entire frontend? Meet React, the JavaScript library with 244,000 stars that changed how we build interfaces. Its secret? Component-based architecture. You write self-contained UI blocks that manage their own state, then compose them into complex applications. Declarative rendering means you describe what you want, and React handles the DOM updates. Best part? Learn it once, use it anywhere. Web apps with React, mobile apps with React Native, server-side with Next.js. Star the repo at github.com Facebook React. What powers Netflix, PayPal, and millions of servers worldwide? Meet Node.js, the runtime that took JavaScript out of the browser and put it everywhere. Write one language for front-end and back-end. Handle thousands of concurrent connections with its event-driven architecture. Build fast, scalable network applications that enterprises trust. With over 116,000 stars and long-term support releases, Node.js is the backbone of modern web development. Star the repo at github.com nodejs node. Still writing fetch calls wrapped in try-catch blocks everywhere? Meet Axios, the HTTP client that's earned over 108,000 stars from developers worldwide. It uses promises to make your API calls clean and readable. One simple line gets you automatic JSON parsing, powerful request interceptors, and built-in error handling. Best of all, it works identically in browsers and Node.js, so your code stays consistent everywhere. Star the repo at github.com/Axios. Like and subscribe for more trending tech.